Hi, I'm Nastya, Head of Education at SendPulse. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a TikTok chatbot using SendPulse's Chatbot Builder to enrich your digital marketing strategy. I will walk you through everything you need to know to start using TikTok chatbots. You'll learn how to build your chatbot, streamline interactions with your TikTok audience, create automated flows, and run effective message campaigns. So buckle up and let's get started. Once you build a SendPulse-powered chatbot on TikTok, you'll gain access to a marketing toolkit designed to engage your audience and boost conversions. Here's what your chatbot can do. Deliver 24/7 replies to incoming messages so that your followers always receive quick, helpful answers. Run automated flows when users click a bio link or any ad and generate leads. Offer quick replies that spark conversations with a single click. Use AI-driven intent and sentiment recognition to create natural, confident interactions. Capture contacts and process in-chat orders, and immediately sync this information with your CRM system. A TikTok chatbot works as your automated assistant. You focus on trends and content creation, while it manages interactions and handles routine replies for you. Before creating a chatbot, let's take a look at TikTok's rules and restrictions. To add a TikTok chatbot, you need a public business account. We will cover how to switch from a personal account to a business account in a few moments. Users with accounts created in the EU, the European Economic Area, and the United States currently cannot use TikTok chatbots due to platform regulations. Once TikTok expands its supported regions, users in these locations will also be able to create and subscribe to TikTok chatbots without restrictions. Your chatbot can send up to 10 messages within 48 hours after a follower's last reply. Once this window closes, your chatbot can continue the conversation only if the follower sends another message. To keep subscribers engaged, we recommend designing your flow using elements that encourage users to respond and interact with you. For instance, you can ask follow-up questions, add quick replies, and send personalized offers. This will keep conversations going and help you guide users toward your marketing goal. Subscribers can message TikTok chatbots using text and standard emojis only. The same applies to your chatbot, as media files like images and videos aren't supported. In your TikTok chatbot flows, you can add buttons that continue a current scenario or route users to another flow. However, your chatbot doesn't support buttons that redirect subscribers to payment pages or third-party websites. If you need to share an external link, say to a payment page, simply include it in your message text. Users can follow it without restrictions. Keep these requirements in mind to design flows that work smoothly and deliver strong performance early on. Now, let's move on to creating your chatbot. With SendPulse, you can build your TikTok chatbot using an official API with full compliance to platform standards, which means having a chatbot is completely safe for your account. To add your TikTok chatbot, you need a public business account registered outside the EU, the European Economic Area, and the United States. You also need a personal account that you will assign as your chatbot's owner. You can find your account region on TikTok in Settings and Privacy. Then head to Account, Account Information, Account Region. To switch to a business account, go to Settings and Privacy, Account. Then click Switch to Business Account. Choose your business category, add an email address, and type in a brief description. Or you can skip this step and get back to it later. From there, you can start connecting your chatbot. First, go to your SendPulse account and select Chatbots. Go to Bot Management, Add Bot, and opt for TikTok. Select the I have completed the previous steps checkbox and click Connect. In the modal window, enter your TikTok account credentials and authenticate using your preferred method. In the next window, give SendPulse permission to send messages and click Continue. Once you complete all previous steps, your chatbot will appear on the list and you will be redirected to its settings. Now you need to set the owner of your new chatbot. To do this, click the three dots next to your flow name and select the Link to Launch a Flow option. Follow the generated link or scan the QR code in your personal TikTok account settings. Subscribe to your chatbot from your personal account and send any message. Your account will then appear in your chatbot audience. Then, head over to the Audience tab. Select your account and click Set Owner on the top bar. Now that your chatbot is connected, you can start building flows triggered by specific follower actions. For more guidance on how to create TikTok chatbot flows using SendPulse, follow the link in the video description. Now let's explore how to send campaigns in your TikTok chatbot. Easily share key updates with your chatbot subscribers, highlight new product launches, promote webinars, or send holiday greetings. To join your chatbot audience, users need to interact with your business page. For instance, users can click a link to start a flow, then select a button in your chatbot message, Or they can DM your chatbot on their own. Once a user subscribes to your chatbot, you have a 48-hour window to send a campaign. This window resets every time a user interacts with your chatbot. To create a TikTok campaign, go to Chatbots, My Campaigns, and click Create a Campaign. Choose your TikTok chatbot from the drop-down list. You can then segment your recipients. If you collect customer data during subscription or assign tags, you can segment your audience based on these values. Now, type in your message. Enter your message text of up to 6,000 characters. If you add a button, keep it under 40 characters. To personalize your message, click the curly brackets in the upper right corner of the input field and select a variable from the list. Each user will then receive your message with their contact's variable value. You can add another text element that will appear separately from your main message. To do this, click Add, select Text, and type in your message. As we've mentioned earlier, TikTok chatbots currently only support buttons that lead to other flows within your chatbot. Other button types, such as those opening external links or payment pages, are not supported as of now. To link a message flow, click Add Button, name it, and choose a flow from the drop-down list. You can add up to 3 buttons per campaign. You can see what your campaign will look like using a real-time preview window, which appears to the right of your campaign settings. Scroll through it to check every element. You can also rearrange, delete, or copy your flow elements. Once your campaign is ready, we recommend sending a test message to yourself first. To do this, click Test, and your message will be sent to the chatbot owner. If everything looks good, head back to the Flow Builder and click Next to set a delivery time. In the next window, name this campaign for your own reference. Subscribers won't see it. Then choose when to send your message. You can send it right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. Click Send Campaign or Schedule based on your choice. If you schedule your campaign for later, you can edit or cancel it anytime before it's sent. Go to My Campaigns, click the 3 dots next to your campaign, and select the action you need. This allows you to adjust your flow or change your plans without feeling stressed. Once you send it, you'll see how many messages have been delivered and how many subscribers interact with your campaign. With that, let's call it a day so you can start your TikTok marketing journey. Now you know everything you need to launch your own TikTok chatbot and bring your ideas to life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides and tips. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. We read them all and reply with care. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and see you in the next video.